All right, welcome back, YouTube. So I attempted to tackle the trunk seal, and it fit perfect. They give you a little extra. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, right here. Give you a little extra. It's probably fairly common. I think they call this D-seal. I'm not sure if it is or not. This is the old one. And you can just see how beat to death it was. Oh. Yeah, see that was all. It's had better days. So that was fairly simple. They gave you extra with the eBay Gbody weather stripping and door seal kit. I'm very pleased with that fitment. I don't believe the trunk leaks. I've never seen any water in there, even with an old seal kit. So hopefully I don't have any problems there. Thanks for watching.